Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Creative Glut. So today in this video, I am going to make an embroidered canvas. It is quite a difficult process, but I will try my level best to teach you in the easiest way possible. And it's a fun process as well because the outcome is very pretty. So stay with me till the end and quickly let's get started.
So the first thing you need is this canvas. I have taken 10 by 12 size of canvas. You can take any, whichever suits you. Another thing, this masking tape. Then these threads. I have taken black threads, also white thread I'll be using, and it's normal embroidery thread that you can get in the market. Another thing is this dabber through which we will paint, and the needle. So the needle hole have to be quite big because the thickness of the thread is quite big, so it can easily enter the hole of the needle. And the last thing that you need is this printout. You can either draw it on the canvas, but as I told you, I'm going to show you the easiest way, so I have taken this printout. So we'll start with pasting the tape on the canvas. I am pasting it diagonally. If you want, you can paste it in half, horizontally, vertically, whichever shape you want to make. So by the end, you will understand why I am doing it diagonally. So we will just place it in the half, and then we are going to start painting. So this is done. Now one more thing I forgot is that you need to also have some color. So I'm taking black color here. You can choose any color you want to do it on the canvas. So let's spill the color over the canvas and start painting on it. So just roughly you have to paint the half side of the canvas black. I'm doing it black. If you want, you can do it green, and then according to that you can choose the thread color as well. So we have to rest it till half an hour, and after half an hour it is all dried up. Now we are going to remove the masking tape from the canvas. It is such a satisfying process when it comes out nicely. So now I'm going to take this printout and I have to paste it over the canvas. So we are going to do this with the help of the masking tape. We will paste the tape at the top and the bottom of the page with the canvas. So we have to make sure that it is in the center of the canvas, because if it goes off, it might not look good. So this is how I am going to paste the tape at the bottom with the canvas and at the top as well, so that it will not move here and there, right? So now we have to start poking the holes. I am going to start it from the bottom of the leaf, and just make sure कि दो holes के बीच में जो gap हो वो equal size का हो. At least try, because exact size तो नहीं आएगा, but we have to try कि exact size आए थोड़ा, because then that it will look more nice, right? So poking holes जो है वो थोड़ा difficult process है, but we have to keep patience and do it. It might take a lot of effort poking holes on it, but it will be done. And once it is done, you can see how it will turn out. You can see the holes in the whole of the canvas. Now we have to start embroidering it. So it is not that you don't know how to do the embroidery, you cannot do it. Anybody can do it. So it's a very simple process. Now I'm going to put the thread in the needle, and I'm going to take उतना ही thread लेना जितना you can easily move your hand, right? So now we have to secure the end of the thread and start the embroidery. So we are going to start it from the bottom of the canvas, right? So I'm going to, firstly I have taken the black thread. So the black thread I'm going to do on the white side, and on the black side we are going to do it with the white thread. So we are going to take it from the bottom and then put it in the another hole, and then मैं एक होल छोड़कर बना रही हूँ. If you want, you can do it continuously. So I am leaving one gap between them and then doing the same process. So this is the same process you have to repeat in the whole canvas, taking the needle from the bottom and putting it out again and again. So this is a very easy process. It will also take time, but it's an easy process that can be done quickly. So the gap you see, I have kept the similar gaps between the two holes. So it will look like, it will give the look on the canvas very neat. It will come out very neatly, right? So let's just do it. I'm showing it to you in fast motion. It is quite difficult. Now once it is done, we are going to secure the end of the thread at the bottom of the canvas. पीछे हम knot बांधेंगे. We can make 2-3 knots according to how much security you want to give. So I usually make 2 knots. तो मैं 2 ही knot बांधती हूँ ज़्यादातर, so that it is more secure. Now once you are going to do this, then we are going to cut the thread out and just make sure कि आप needle इधर उधर ना लगा लेना. Just keep it there in place, because while making it I used to lose my needle a lot. So just don't do that. Now we have cut the thread and I'm going to turn it, flip it over, and you can see the final look. I'm going to show you the final look. So this is the final look. I also make another canvases which I'm going to show you in the video. So these are all made by me and they are all sold. So I also sell them. If you want to purchase from me, I will leave the link in the description box. You can also do that. And these are some canvases that I make personalized. You can also go with that. If you want to purchase anything, you can just take the screenshot and send it to me on Instagram. I'm going to paste the link in the description box. So you can also personalize it for your loved ones. You can see how I have made it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and comment down below for more such content. Thank you.